All abafethu kunjani? Those abantu on the screen here, we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyazi angihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani kamera mekuthini mfokaswela mswati lo mnanzi football fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yebo baba.
Skuta baba.
On today's episode, we are looking at the Kaizer Chiefs.
For life.
They are going away in North Africa to play Al Masry of Egypt.
Yeah.
Or Faro, that side. The game will be played on Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Sunday, the 23rd of November. Yeah. Asiqale ngama squads because they were announced in the morning on Friday. What do you make of his squad, the Kaizer Chiefs?
Hey, I think the squad depth is proper for me because I'm looking coming back of some players that we haven't seen in a while. It's a pity because I can't tell how fit they are, but obvious because they're being selected, I trust their feet. Even though I believe in the striking force, we are not there. Because even Ashi Tupri was not even playing locally, Go PSL.
What are you missing?
It was chopped. We're missing that Toba. We missed that Toba.
Only Toba.
That Toba impact in the squad. That's the main key thing I think it's missing there. But the rest of the players for me, it's fine. Because Umakati is not there as well, but I don't know whether he's injured or not. But you see, given Simango coming back, so you can assume, given Simango was injured, maybe Makati got a knock, so hence it's being replaced.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So you are happy.
No, I'm happy with the squad. It's like everybody that I'm expecting to see is there, except that I'm raising these two that I don't know what's happening, whether they are injured or not. But obvious, but the squad you cannot be happy with every player that's in the list. Some that this one is not gonna play.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Moving on. Since you are happy with the squad, it's a good one.
No, I mean, we have exactly.
No, you don't
Marco is back.
You don't have to explain.
Marco is back. Cross has been doing good. You see, there's Monyane. Solomon has been trying. And then we see Kunika is there. Mikel is there. Then we have given him Simang. We could. Then obviously, since we is like we have Umteto, we have Utel. You see, is there. My boy is there. We have Undlove there. So it's competitive for what I think. It depends on the day with our coach selector what kind of squad they will assemble. But other than that, these are the players we have either way.
Okay. Again, it's the return of Monyane to full fitness.
Yeah.
What does it add to Kaizer Chiefs?
The experience now, especially going forward when we need to attack. Monyane is always there and he covers his space grand. So I think last game he had an assist. And we hardly see that Kaizer Chiefs defenders or the left back and the right back.
Full backs.
Yes, we hardly see that happening. But Monyane did it this season. I think he's the only player. Because the rest, if you look at your Frost, is not there in the squad, right? You look at your Talon Solomons. If they go forward, they will give you a very bad pass. The final work is not complete. So Monyane being there for me, proper stuff. I hope he's fit though, because last game he didn't play 90 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's back to full fitness. Hopefully, Kaizer Chiefs had a friendly game. Close doors, hopefully. Moving forward, playing in the North Africa. I know that it's been a while since you have won that side. And also North Africa as a hostile environment because they come out with the lasers. Smoky, a lot of things happen that side, man. Yeah. What can you tell us, Muti? How can Kaizer Chiefs approach this game?
With the effect or listen to a show is a problem. That one we cannot shy away. It's gonna be like that. But they will come in numbers, defense. They will have those lasers and all these things,
Yeah.
But for Kaizer Chiefs, they are playing away, right? So they don't have to be distracted. Them is to not concede and win the game. That's simple. Simple thing they can do.
Yeah,
Because
that's easy on paper,
yes,
but remember, these things get into your skin
yes,
when you trying to look away and someone is just going with the
but
laser.
it needs
Exactly in your eyes.
it needs
It
to
can distract you.
yes, not even it can, it will distract them fairly, but it also needs discipline as a player. Can't do it for one again.
But that hasn't been judged for a while.
Then what you gonna
Then
do? What you gonna
those
do?
are the conditions that
Okay,
we all have been playing under.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I feel ukuthi uma game approach ukuthi all over the place. Ngoba all over the place ungabe structured game uzoba ne problem ngoba bazokushana ngama-lays. So Kaizer Chiefs used to be structured kuleyo game properly futhi ibe discipline. I see them winning though.
All right. Moving on.
Because even
You see them winning.
yeah,
Okay.
I don't think Al Masira at this current moment it's even doing much better than Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can look, numbers don't lie. We don't want to talk about them too much, but if you look the games they play on their league and look at us and look at the points, we are much ahead. So we can take this as a positive and go to them and say these people are not even doing good in their own league.
But remember, hey, Mina, I don't want us to look at the points because we can get the points playing a lower
Okay.
teams, kahle kahle, right?
Yes.
Or you can get points playing your big teams.
Yes.
I want us to compare the leagues because I would say that we are in the same
Yeah.
kind of level with the Egyptian league. If you look at the opponents that are they, the best team in Africa, your Al Ali, there's Zamalek, there's Pyramids, they who just
Won the
recently took
Champions League.
the Champions League.
Mhm.
Okay, we see the Al Mestre now. We don't know, but you see, Uti, this league is competitive. If you have got three big teams,
Yeah.
it can only tell you one thing, that the league is competitive.
Yes.
Yes, taking that into consideration, and the PSL and the PSL, hey, we already know. My point is, we cannot say that based on the points.
No.
Then now
I'm
we
not
also have to give respect where
wait.
it's due.
I'm not saying if you compare their points with ours, we're a better team, blah, 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 in that sense. I'm saying you're comparing them with the opponents they have on their own league, right? And they are not up there on their own league. And then
But
us,
they are number 5.
and we are number 3.
I agree.
They played more games even than us, but they still have 20 points.
We're going back to the point.
No, I'm just saying, it's a good league, yeah, but they are not good league, yeah. But
Yeah, but
they are not one of the best.
Number 5 is a solid position.
Okay.
It's not 9, it's 5.
It's 3 there.
I'm just saying,
On
it's
the other
not
side
9,
is
it's
3.
5.
On the other side is
Yeah,
3.
I understand, but we cannot take that away,
Okay,
because
but
that's the competitiveness that we
agree.
expect from
I
the
agree.
team.
I agree. But what I'm saying is, I don't think what you can say Al Masera it's that dangerous at this moment in their own league.
Okay.
Like how you wouldn't say Kaizer Chiefs is dangerous in their own league.
But you pose yourself as a dangerous team. That's what you've just said. We are number 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys,
I see Kaizer Chiefs winning.
don't forget to subscribe. I predict this one as a draw for myself. Yeah, obviously you're a supporter, a
Let's
Kaizer
steal it,
Chiefs,
boys.
so
Let's steal it.
it's expected that you will say that. Yeah, since it's an away game, and the Chiefs hasn't been doing well, honestly, away. Go Kev, all the 2 games that they've played, they haven't done well. Luckily, they started away, then finish it off at home. So, with that, all that being said, guys, you subscribe, you like, you share the video with friends. We'll see you on another one.
So we are Monday. Chiefs is still winning.